vehicle. Please keep them inside the vehicle, and please watch your children. The sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your children.
Permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina del tiempo. Cuídense, pequeñitos. Gracias.
The sliding doors on the time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your children.
Your time machine is slowly getting and may stop momentarily. When you're seated, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving jerk, your time machine will slowly rotate back and may stop momentarily. When you're seated,
this is Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard.
Make sure your face is clearly visible and wait for the flash. Good. Sending photos to the future. All systems are go. Linking you now to your gun.
Travel back in time. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here, in this hostile world, is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt as a team, and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. There's only one small problem. When we move, the recorded knowledge stays with us. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds flour was invented for papyrus. Papyrus in turn creates better records, plans, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with them, have solutions. They create a simple common alphabet, adapted to most languages. Remember how easy it was to know your ABCs? That's the Phoenicians. They invented it. The ancient Greeks were great inventors. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching and retrieving the subject called mathematics. And with math, it becomes mechanical technology and a birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. The lessons learned from the books But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks tour endlessly calling books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1850, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they will. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation called the Renaissance. Everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house. But there's one problem. There is bigger than the solution comes in all places that are around the world. Young people who are passionate for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network of billions of interactions. Once again, we stand on the brink of a new age.
preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation isn't a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you want. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. Almost anywhere. You'll never get bored on your journey. You can cause holographic journeys that will help you connect with your inside home. Your smart home knows when it's time for you to leave and what you need to take with you. You'll travel quickly and fast to places you can't imagine visiting today. Of course, home is already set. The moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future of the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and want together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas, innovations, are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully off the moving platform.
This way, this way, this way, this way, this way.